Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my hood. Today I'm gonna attempt to do makeup. If you don't know anything about me, know that I don't know how to do makeup. I can barely apply mascara on. Even when I do apply, I still get that black stuff on my eyelids. And I'm just a mascara, lip gloss kind of girl, okay? So I don't know how to do eyeshadow, foundation, all that. But we're going to attempt to do a makeup look. It's supposed to be a beginner eyeshadow tutorial, but it looks like a lot. But we're just gonna see how this turns out. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working with, okay? I don't have a lot of stuff. I don't have foundation. I don't have concealer because I threw them away because they didn't match me anymore, and I had them for probably 3-4 years, so I just threw them away. So I got this eyeshadow brush that already has eyeshadow on it because I was going to attempt to do this in the bathroom, but I didn't. I got this brush. I don't know what it's for. I think it's blush, and by the way, I just washed all these brushes, so yeah. This, I don't know what this is for either. I think it's like for your cheekbones. That's still kind of wet. I got this fan brush. That's for highlight, I think. And then we got this. This is the brush that I used to do my eyeliner under my eye. And I have no idea what this is for. So, yeah. And I didn't even buy these. These were given to me like a while back ago. Probably like 3 years ago. And yeah, that's just what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna probably link the eyeshadow tutorial in the description box, and we're just gonna get started with this, and hopefully it comes out right. If it doesn't, then I'm probably not gonna even upload, or I am gonna upload it and we'll just laugh at it together, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna just watch this on my phone. I'm gonna just copy it. I have this mirror. Okay, I have this mirror. This is the only mirror I got that's like handheld. I don't have one of them little cute mirrors or whatnot. So, yeah, I'm just gonna watch and apply. I'm scared. Alright, girl, what are we working with? We're using this one, right? Did I tell y'all what palette? Oh, yeah, I did. Why isn't it loading?
I need to blend this color out because honestly you won't see it in the end, and that is the whole point of using a base shade.
Okay, so apparently this is base shade. She used a different color. I'm gonna use a different color because we're totally different colors. I'm gonna use the brown one because I'm brown. So she said packing. Are we packing? I don't even. Well, I mean, I kind of see it. Is it coming off on the highlight? This is. I don't even know if this is showing up, to be honest.
The line between the two shades. You want to pick a shade which is orange. It might seem a little strange that I'm using a shade like this, but this is again going to be a transition shade. I'll switch over to the finished eye look, and you can barely see it around the edges. The whole point of using that into my outer crease area. You'll notice when I put this down, I really start in the back part of my eye, right above where my lid is, right where my bone is. So just place that right there. Fuse, as you can see on this side, there is a definite definition.
This is scaring me. This gives me anxiety. How do people do this? We are trying to do natural. So this is what I got so far. Can y'all see that? It just looks. That is like the second time I dropped my phone. Can y'all see what's going on here? Yeah, this is what I got.
Just pressing them into the skin in a really concentrated area, meaning that you're not just like swiping it over your entire eye. You want to make sure it's in that one little section.
Oh, well, how?
And because these are pressed pigments too, it's okay for some of these shades for you to go in pretty heavy-handed, meaning like you're picking up a lot of the product at first. There are other shades that
okay, this is not going on my eyelid. Why? That's phone drop number fucking 3, bitch. What the fuck? Okay. Maybe I should sit in my chair. Friend, I don't know how this is not. What color was I on? This is not How do y'all think this is fun? Like, this makes me nervous. Is that even the same color that I was using? Oh my god, help! Okay.
Concentrating that in the outer C. Outer C is kind of like a backward C, but it's just like right here. This whole section is considered like the outer C area. There, I'm kind of using a medium amount of pressure to blend in these colors.
This is not blending. Look at that. How do y'all do this? What the fuck? I literally have like so many colors on my face. This is on my eyebrow. Is this supposed to be by your eyebrow? She said pressing. We're pressing. We're pressing. I am 20 years old and I don't know how to do this. Okay, friend.
This is definitely starting to look like my other two makeup looks, so what we're going to do is make it look a little bit more neutral now. And we're going to do that by taking the shade of Mary. It's a really nice rose.
I look like I have a black eye.
So now I'm taking
Wait,
that right where
what is no beans?
Still in my crease. So a couple different ways you can blend and make this look.
Okay, I don't have color over there. I need to put some color over there.
Using different types of pressure. If you want to create really light, soft,
Friend,
diffused
what
looks,
is going on?
Light pressure. But if you want to look pigmented, you want to really pack in the color and press down a little bit harder. We're going to continue to darken this up. So now I'm taking the shade No Beans, and again we're putting that right where we put Mary.
Okay.
It's right on top of Mary.
What is the point in putting all this on top of each other if you can't see it? Mary's over here. Hey, Mary. Mary's dark. Okay.
This is when you'd want to use it because easier to do this with a smaller blending brush than this one.
Okay, she says blending a lot. Y'all do a lot of blending. I don't even know what color code James is. Are we... Okay, let's just try to blend. She said back and forth is blending. But props to the people who do this, cause friend, I cannot be doing this. And y'all be doing this like early ass in the morning. No ma'am, no ham, no turkey. I cannot be doing this. This gives me the A word. Anxiety. I don't like saying that word, but this is what it's giving me. I feel like we've done nothing.
It's okay to pack that.
She said cool beans, cold beans. That's this. No beans. Alright, no beans. That's that dark shit. That looks like I got a black eye. No beans is dark, friend. I messed it up. We messed up. That's okay, because we're gonna keep going. We're not gonna stop. Okay, hold on. What is that? Ow, that hurt.
Dark, but you can still use the same techniques and the same
technique!
brush to create an everyday look. What I would shades is just by using my fingers because the oils in your hands will do such a good job of picking up the color.
I think it's okay. Like, we'll just clean up over here and like don't look at it. We'll just clean up the rest, but I mean, and ignore my pimples, but I think it looks... I'm telling y'all, I've done worse. I've done way worse. So if you think this is trash, friend, go watch my old How to Beat Your Face with Queen Curls. That's when my name was that. Like years ago. I was still in high school. And I've been out of high school for like 4 years.
brush, don't worry. I'm actually using a brow brush. This is
a brow brush that looks kind of like this. So I'm gonna use this because that's what she used. But I'm gonna make sure that this shading shit on my face is together is how I want it.
I'm dipping into that shade Spooky. I'm going to just press that in. As you can tell, I just barely touched.
Friend, Spooky is spooky, a little spooky. If y'all watch on my blog, bitch, tell me how y'all think. Okay, why am I doing this? She said press, we press. Press, 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 press. Cardi don't need more press.
My eye, and it's very pigmented, which is great because I feel like blacks are honestly like the hardest color to get super pigmented. And I feel like everyone's always looking for a nice, deep pigmented black. Again, just lightly stamping that on. This is an eyeliner technique I actually learned when I was working at Sephora. You don't ever want to just drag the eyeliner across. Whoops, see, messed up. Color left over. You don't.
This gets me excited. I messed up. You see that? I messed up. Dang, hers looks good. Okay, this is her. Can y'all see that? That's her end result. This is mine. But I gotta fix that spot. It's bothering me. I think I did too much. Oh well. Okay, I'm done with this eye. Are we done? Yeah, I'm done with this eye. And that took a long time for me to just do that eye. So now I'm gonna go off camera and do this eye, and then I'm gonna come back with lashes and shit and show y'all my end result. You dig? Okay guys, I'm back. Yeah, I don't know if y'all could see anything, but this is what I got. You see that? So I don't have, like I said, I don't have any foundation or concealer, so you could definitely see all my pimples and all that other stuff. My gel that has not dried on my forehead and all that. But I mean, if you go back and close one eye, I think I look good. Okay, I think this was a success. I don't think it was a flop, and I'm happy. And I don't know how to do my eyebrows and all that. So why didn't you do your eyebrows? Because I don't know how to do my eyebrows. I don't know what to use for my eyebrows. I don't even get my eyebrows done, like plucked or whatever. I used to get them plucked when I want to, like on a special occasion. Like I got them plucked for prom. Yeah, prom. And homecoming? I don't know. My birthday? I don't know. Yeah, but I don't do that, all that to my eyebrows. For girls who does this like every day, that is for you. That is really for you, because if you were a boy like me, I don't know how y'all do that, and I feel like everything has to be even and perfect, and I get upset. So yeah, this is my finished look, my results, you know. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like and comment and subscribe and do all that fun goodness. Tell me if I messed up. Give me some tips. Don't come for me. Do not bash me. Okay, because I told you this is my first time. But if you have tips, let me know. Alright? Let me know. Peace out, love you, bye.
Baby, you should say